What up, Songbirds? Before we get to the episode, I want to say this really fast that what I'll be doing is that I'll be doing some toxic videos. And one of you guys did comment it to me. Her name is Pineapple Queen. She told me that I should make toxic videos, or I should do funny moments videos for the video. And other content if you want to do that. But anywho, if you guys want me to, let me guys know. But I definitely am looking forward to do this. And yeah, let's do it. So what I'm going to do for this roast is that I'll be playing as both survivors and killers, using both of their 3 unique perks only. I can bring an item if I want to, an offering, but no 4th perk. Anywho, the first perk we got is Removes Opportunity, Against Me, and Boil Over. Boil Over allows the killer to move around, so 5%, and I obscure the killer's ability to see hooks or is within 14 meter range. Dance with me when I vault through a window or something. Anyway, I leave no scratch marks for 3 seconds, has a cooldown for 40 seconds, and Removes Opportunity with see pallets and vaults within a 20 meter range, and has a cooldown to land chase. So Kate was pretty much born to sing, basically. When she was very little, she just began to sing her song that she learned in kindergarten, or you guys see, I gotta make sure it is kindergarten. In school, okay, we're gonna say kindergarten. And she sang that at home, and her family was smiling, and that was her earliest memories that she loved. Until then, she traveled around, made some new friends, played her songs, and traveled until one day she got lost by a spider-leg creature, kidnapped her, and now she's in an empty world. So yeah, that's her story of how Kate is a But anywho, let's get into it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright. So it's moving already. Fun fact, I'm playing with one of my friends. His name is Techno Gamer. He's not a YouTuber, I don't believe so. I never checked or asked him. But anywho, he's Claudia with a green shirt, Prestige 3, and Prestige 2 is bloody face, bloody pants, and a green shirt. Does the killer have Mori? I gotta double check. I wish that the... Alright, so I kinda wish that the pausing could be quicker instead of really slow. It wastes so much time though. It really does. Oh, there's my friend. Gonna try not to scream. Oh gosh. Alright, at least we screamed so that we don't have to worry about one of Madness 1. Where's he going? We missed it right here, and he's going over there on the side of the house. Oh. Hopefully my friend's going for a save. Yep, he did. Alright. I'm just gonna walk because I need to decrease my madness. Alright, here I go. I'm gonna give up. Okay, hello. Oh no! Here, I'll try to get close to the bear as possible. No struggle time. Hello, sister. Wait, toy. I need to get far away from this possible so I don't have to get affected by unknown presence. Alright, hope for the best. No, he's not. Yeah, we're good. If you guys are wondering why I was laughing for a second, I was trying to snap out of it. It's because like her hair is like poof, like a witch. It was hilarious though, in my opinion. I don't care what you guys think. Oh, that person's gonna die. That's Kate, my sister. Gotta find out. That's not my problem. You messed up. Oh, never mind. Toxic. She better not get down inside because there's no way for me to save her. Oh, I was too close! Yeah, when you get too close, it's really hard to get the flashlight save. Like, it's really difficult. Like, I can barely get it. Oh, he's gonna follow me. No, he's not. Oh, I tried. Oh, I'm so sorry, sister. But hey, it's just a game. You should always look behind you sometimes. Not after me, okay? Oh, I hate leaves. I hate plants. No. He did not see me. there. Ah! Over there, it's kind of useless, but it can be a good advantage to use. Pallet, so after I use this pallet, I can still combine it to windows, but I just can't combine it to basement. I actually can't because I have boiler. Is there a dungeon here? I need to find my friend, Tech. Alright, computer. Oh. I got too close. Yeah, I can't move. Let me get as far away as possible. I want to leave, but I don't want to die. Not dying, those folks! Oh no! Darn, no. First time as well. Oh, he knows exactly where she is. Heck. Oh no. Probably good chili. I gotta risk it. Hiding in the closet. Nope. I'm not very lucky. I really wish that the devs, what they should do is that when each survivor dies, you get like a 5% chance. Like, it can stack as well. Like, for example, 2 survivors have died right now, I get 10% chance to escape the boat. But, it's kind of nice. Now, I do want everyone to know that when I'm doing like a toxic video, I don't want you guys expecting me like escape things like that. I wish I could, but I want to be some toxic. But anyway, though, what I'm trying to say is that I am most likely going to die like a lot if I'm doing toxic. Like, my goal is to like get the killer on me every single match and try to like run them until 5 generators are done. But obviously I fail at that, except for that one time, but I did not make a video for that, which is kind of sad, but other who. While I'm doing top 2 videos, I'll be doing my main characters all the way down to my least favorite killers and survivors. But anywho guys, I hope you guys do enjoy, and yeah, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Adios.